say about 2-3 weeks.
About 2-3 weeks. Okay.
Yep.
How many you got? You got 2018 and 2022 Ram 3500.
Yeah.
What type of equipment do you have? Your trailers?
I got 30-foot flatbed, tarps, chain, binders, all the whole shebang.
Okay.
CDL, non-CDL.
You CDL or non-CDL?
CDL.
Oh, okay.
How much can you scale? Wait.
How much can you scale?
I don't go over like 15,000 pounds.
Over like 15,000.
Yeah.
He has another driver.
Oh, okay. You got do you have another driver or is it just you?
I got 2 drivers, but yeah, I got 2 drivers right now. Me and myself. I'm actually getting ready to hire somebody so I can get off the road.
Right. I understand that. Okay. So what are you looking to get out of a dispatcher?
What I'm looking at, dispatcher?
Yeah.
Oh man, just really just a relationship, building a relationship and all that good stuff. That's really it.
Right. Okay. And to keep you rolling.
Yeah.
What area is his dispatcher keep him?
And what area does your dispatcher normally keep y'all in?
I try to stay in the east.
Okay.
Tell him about freight traffic. Midwest.
Okay. Yeah, because using the software that we use, I know I'm noticing that like in the Midwest is normally where the rates are normally better or stuff like that. Do y'all normally run in that area? He said, hold on, something.